Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the euro currency again. So you can see by the recent action that our suggestion weakness in euro currency was not in vain. It seems it was correct, and in general, if you remember, within the last few months, every time on the weekly report we talk about the weakness of the financial situation in Europe, and we said that currently European Central Bank has no tools to bring the strength to the euro currency. So, and here we just see the confirmation from the recent statement of the European Central Bank, Mario Draghi, and our suggestion. So it just confirms that euro indeed stands in a long-term bearish trend, and currently it probably will take the backseat and will follow to the United States dollar. So, but this is the topic for weekly report. Today, in the shorter-term perspective, what we could say, finally, market has hit our long-term support. So we talked about the 1185 area for a long time. So you probably remember our weekly chart. It was major 618 support on the weekly chart. The market stands right now, and also it stands a daily reversal. So it means that in the weekly, on the daily chart, it's not time for taking any short position. On the intraday charts, we'll discuss it later in this video. It is possible for taking the scalp shorts, but on the daily and weekly charts, it's not time yet for taking the short position. So some relief, some pullback probably should follow. In fact, on the daily chart, we have a kind of the stretch pattern. So because market hits the fib resistance accompanied by the daily reversal. So it means that some relief here should follow. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we do not have something special. So downward action just has stopped, and market has no time yet to show and form some pattern. But currently, we have some fib levels in 1265 area. The confluence. And it seems attractive for a possible making the scalp short position, taking the scalp short position. For example, if we will get a kind of the ABC retracement here, it could become the godless triple to sell, which suggests a downward continuation. On the current situation on euro, we need to keep an eye on two major moments. First of all, I would like to remind you our dollar index weekly chart. So recall that we have the COP target here and has not been hit yet. And that was one of our major driving factors, technical factors of the euro currency weakness. So I show you this picture very often and tell about this market has to complete this pattern before any reversal or something else could happen. This target stands in agreement with the major 618 resistance. So on the euro currency, it already has been hit. On the dollar index, is still yet to be hit. So it means that euro could drift slightly lower before some bullish pattern will be formed or some reversal will happen, because actually 1185 at the weekly pattern, so market could spend around it for some time, could show reaction a bit later, so reaction could be delayed in time a bit. And the second moment, it stands on the hourly chart on the euro, and if you will take a look at this price action, you will see and could recognize kind of the butterfly action. So we would not call it as butterfly because the retracement of the potential right wing stands very flat. It actually hasn't shown even a 30% pullback here. That's why I can't call it clear butterfly. But you can see market follows to the targets were pretty nice. So you can see that the 127 target has been hit here. Since the momentum very strong with this downward action, and as a rule, when you're dealing with the butterfly, market shows it's just one leg down right to the 127 target. In most cases, after some minor pullback, it continues to the 1618. 1618 stands 1120, so it's just 40 pips above today's daily reversal. So today's daily reversal stands 1160, and theoretically, if payrolls will be positive, market could continue dropping right to this area. Who knows? Maybe particularly this action will let market on the weekly chart on the dollar index complete the COP target. It's also possible. So that being said, no positions yet on the longer term time frames, weekly, daily. We're sitting on the hands and see. In the shorter term, currently, guys, I do not see any bullish patterns are forming here. And I would suggest that theoretically, since momentum down is very strong, we could use the confidence resistance, and if we'll get the bearish continuation pattern, kind of the ABC retracement here, it's possible for taking the scalp short position with the target approximately around these lows, or maybe even trying to keep it lower, the hitting of the 1120 area. So that's our current view on the euro.